Are you already using a VPN but looking for even more privacy and control? If you want to take your online security to the next level, a dedicated IP VPN might be exactly what you need. Unlike shared VPN IPs, a dedicated IP gives you exclusive access, ensuring better privacy, uninterrupted browsing, and seamless access to sensitive platforms like banking and remote work accounts. This video is for you if you've had trouble with shared VPN IPs being blocked or flagged by websites, or if you want secure, uninterrupted access to sensitive accounts like banking or remote work platforms, or if you're looking for an ultimate combination of privacy, security, and reliability online. In this video, we're going to break down the top 3 VPNs for private IP addresses. And make sure you stick around to the end because you'll want to know which VPN is the perfect fit for your needs and how to get signed up. Let's get started. So first off, what is a dedicated IP VPN? A dedicated IP VPN assigns you a private IP address that only you use. Unlike shared VPN IPs, which are used by multiple people at the same time, a dedicated IP address gives you exclusive access, which reduces the chances of being flagged by websites or streaming platforms. This is ideal for tasks like accessing bank accounts, remote work platforms, or streaming services without interruptions. Now moving into the top 3 VPNs for dedicated IP addresses, starting off with NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most trusted names in the VPN industry, and its dedicated IP feature is a standout offering. This add-on is easy to set up and designed for flexibility, making it a popular choice for both individuals and businesses. Whether you need a private IP for secure online banking, remote work, or accessing geo-restricted content, NordVPN has you covered. They offer dedicated IPs in multiple locations, including the US, UK, Germany, and the Netherlands and France. This global availability makes NordVPN an amazing option for users who need consistent and private access from various regions. In addition to its dedicated IP offering, NordVPN includes advanced security features such as double VPN encryption and threat protection. Double VPN routes your traffic through 2 servers instead of 1, adding an extra layer of privacy. Their no-log policy ensures your online activities are not tracked or stored, which gives you the peace of mind when using the service. NordVPN also boasts a large server network, meaning you'll experience fast speeds with minimal lag, even when using a dedicated IP. Let's go over some of the pros and cons. Starting off with the pros. NordVPN's setup process for dedicated IPs is simple and user-friendly, making it accessible even for beginners. Their wide range of dedicated IP locations ensures flexibility for global users. The service also includes advanced encryption and privacy tools, which ensures maximum online security. Now, some of the cons. The only downside is that dedicated IPs are not included in the standard subscription and require an additional fee, which might be a consideration for budget-conscious users. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different pricing and plan options and how to get signed up. So I left our exclusive link in the description, so if you want to get started, go ahead and click there. Now we'll go ahead and take a look at the different plans. As you can see, they have different plans and you can decide how long of a commitment you would like. With the 2-year plan, you will save the most. So starting at the basic plan, it's just $291 a month and you can save 74% right now, plus get 4 extra months free. This gets you the secure high-speed VPN. Next is the standard plan, which is just $399 per month, plus 4 extra months free. And right now, the standard plan is 73% off. With this plan, you get secure high-speed VPN, Threat Protection Pro, anti-malware and advanced browsing protection, and Threat Protection Pro, ad and tracker blocker. Next is the complete plan, which is just $462 per month, plus 4 extra months free. And this is just $462 per month, and you're saving 74% off. With this plan, you get everything included in the standard plan, plus you get the password manager with data breach scanner and 1 terabyte of encrypted cloud storage. Lastly is the Prime plan, and you can save 76% off right now, and it's just $719 per month plus 4 extra months free. You get everything in the complete plan, but you also get Nord Protect, which is identity and SSN monitoring and alerts, credit monitoring services, and up to $1 million in identity theft insurance, and up to $100K in cyber extortion insurance. So you'll want to make sure you choose the plan that best fits your needs. And to get signed up, all you have to do is go ahead and click buy now. And so you'll enter in your email address, and here is where you would add on that dedicated IP address. So it's only $3.59 extra per month. Then you'll add in your payment and go ahead and get signed up. What's great about NordVPN too is they do have a 30-day money back guaranteed. So if you're not 100% satisfied, you can go ahead and get your money back within the 30-day window. I also wanted to show you a quick tour of NordVPN. So here you can see this is what it looks like. You can quickly connect. You can connect to any of these servers in the world though. So as you can see, they have by country, and you can also just go ahead and take a look at the map and see that they have a bunch everywhere. So that is how you easily connect to a server. And then here you can see your Threat Protection Pro. So this is just for you to stay safe online. This will check websites for scams, phishing, stops web trackers, and protects you from downloading malware. They have advanced browsing, add-in tracker blocker, and different settings that you can modify here. Next is just MeshNet, and this is to link remote devices to MeshNet to access them over encrypted connections. Next, you have your dark web monitor. So here you can get alerts if your sensitive data is publicly exposed online. They scan the dark web for leaked data tied to your email addresses, password, phone numbers, etc. Next is just the overview, which combines custom VPN connection settings with shortcuts to apps or websites for secure one-click access. So here you can see all of the presets, which are download, speed, and browsing. Next are the statistics. So here you can see an overview of the status, the protocol, the connection time, the IP address, and how long you've been connected. So again, super simple, super easy to use, and I highly recommend NordVPN. And again, to get the best price possible, make sure you use our link in the description. Next up is PureVPN. PureVPN has made dedicated IPs as a core part of its service, making it an amazing choice for users who need consistent and private access for businesses or personal use. Their dedicated IP feature is available in several locations, including the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and Germany, giving users plenty of options to choose from. PureVPN is particularly appealing for those looking to perform secure online transactions or access corporate networks that require a static IP. One of PureVPN's standout feature is DDoS protection, which shields your connection from distributed denial of service attacks. This makes it especially useful for businesses or individuals concerned about cybersecurity threats. Another helpful feature is split tunneling, which allows you to control which apps or websites use. This level of customization ensures you're not unnecessarily routing all traffic through the VPN, which can save bandwidth and improve speeds. For users needing support, PureVPN offers 24/7 customer service, ensuring that any issues with setup or usage are resolved quickly. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of PureVPN. First off, the pros. PureVPN is known for its affordable pricing, making dedicated IPs accessible to a wider range of users. The app interface is easy to navigate even for beginners, and their security features are robust enough to protect sensitive data. Cons. Speed can sometimes vary depending on the server location, which may be an issue for users requiring consistently fast connections. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different pricing and plan options. So again, I've left our exclusive link in the description if you want to check them out yourself, but what you'll want to do is go ahead and click that link and you'll be brought to this page. Right now they are having a Cyber Monday deal, so you want to definitely jump on this as quickly as possible. But here you can see they have monthly plans, 1-year plans, or 2-year plans, and you will save the most the longer the contract. So starting off with the standard plan. The standard plan is the best-selling plan, and this starts at just $2.15 per month, and right now you can get 83% off plus 3 months. What's included with this plan is the full-featured FastestVPN and 1-tap tracker blocker. Moving on to the plus plan, right now this is 80% off plus 3 months free, and you get this for just $3.15 per month. You get everything in the standard plan plus a strong password manager and file encryption tool. Lastly is the max plan, and right now you can save 79% off plus the 3 extra months, and that comes to just $4.15 per month. You get everything in the Plus plan, plus Remove My Data and dark web monitoring. The great thing about PureVPN is they also do have a 31-day money-back guarantee, so if it's not the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get all your money back. So to get signed up, you'll go ahead and choose the plan that best fits your needs. We'll go ahead and click the Plus plan. As you can see, to add the dedicated IP, you'll want to go ahead and click Add. Here you will select the country for single dedicated IP, and this is an extra $3.99 per month. Next, you'll type in your email address and a password, and then you will add in your card. You can pay through Apple Pay, PayPal, or just a regular credit card. Then you go ahead and click Pay with Credit Card, and you will be good to go. Lastly is Surfshark VPN. Surfshark VPN is an amazing option for users looking for a budget-friendly dedicated IP solution. While it is a newer addition to Surfshark's offerings, the dedicated IP feature feature is a welcome addition for those who need private access without spending too much. Surfshark provides private IPs in key regions such as the US, UK, and Europe, making it a very convenient choice for users who need a simple and reliable solution. One of Surfshark's unique selling points is its unlimited device connections, meaning you can use your dedicated IP across all of your devices with just this one subscription. This is useful for families or users with multiple gadgets. Surfshark also includes a feature called camouflage mode, which hides your VPN usage from your internet service provider, adding an extra layer of privacy. Additionally, Surfshark's clean web feature blocks ads, malware, and trackers, ensuring a smooth and secure browsing experience. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons of Surfshark. Starting off with the pros, it offers one of the most affordable dedicated IP plans on the market, making it a very cost-effective solution for personal use. The ability to connect to unlimited devices is a huge advantage, and its privacy tools like clean web and camouflage mode make it an amazing choice for privacy-conscious users. Now, some of the cons. The main drawback is that Surfshark offers fewer dedicated IP locations compared to competitors like NordVPN, which might be limiting for users who need access to specific regions. Let's go ahead and take a look at the plan. So to get started, click that link in the description. You can go ahead and click Get Surfshark. Here you can see they have a couple of different options. So again, you can pay 1 month, 12 month, 24, but you will save the most the longer the plan. Starting off with the Surfshark starter plan. This is just $2.19 per month plus 3 extra months included. With this plan, you get the VPN and the alternative ID, and you get 3 gigabytes of the Saley eSIM voucher. Next and most popular is the Surfshark One plan. And right now you can save 85%, which brings it to just $2.69 per month plus 3 extra months. With this plan, you get the VPN, alternative ID, antivirus, alert, and search. You also get 5 gigabytes of Saley eSIM voucher. Lastly is the Surfshark One Plus, and right now you can save 79% off, which brings it to just $4.29 per month plus the 3 extra months. With this plan, you get VPN, alternative ID, antivirus, alert, search, as well as data removal. You also get 10 gigabytes of the voucher. If you want to take a look at the key features in even more depth, they have a bunch on the website. So make sure you click that link in the description. Now, how to get signed up? We'll go ahead and click the most popular. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and type in your email address. You'll want to choose how you are going to pay. And another great thing about Surfshark is they do have a 30-day money back guarantee, which is amazing if you're not happy with the service, and you can go ahead and get your money back. No questions asked. So all you have to do is go ahead and click complete purchase and you will be good to go. Now, which VPN should you choose? If you're looking for a VPN with dedicated IP, these 3 providers are some of the best options out there. NordVPN stands out for its flexibility, strong security features, and wide range of dedicated IP locations, making it ideal for both personal and professional use, while PureVPN is an amazing choice for those who need affordability combined with features like DDoS protection and split tunneling, which makes it particularly suitable for business owners. Surfshark VPN, on the other hand, is perfect for budget-conscious users who want private access without compromising on security or performance. Each VPN brings unique strengths to the table, so your choice depends on your specific needs and budget. Regardless of which one you pick, having a dedicated IP can significantly improve your online experience, offering much more control, privacy, and uninterrupted access. That wraps up this video. Again, if you want to get the best price possible, don't forget to use our exclusive links in the description below. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools to stay secure and private online. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.